at a body weight of only 160 ripped the fucking shreds pounds, the great Frank Medrano is dipping with 180 pounds of additional weight. So he's doing double body weight plus 20 pounds. You motherfuckers sitting on the couch ass motherfucker. You two might fall to fucking pieces and get Frank Medrano 60 FLETCHER on there at the same time, Frank.
Alright, we're about to do some dragonflies with some little bit of CT FLETCHER flavor on it.
Woo! Come on, Frank. Why some of you motherfuckers come down here and let me do that shit to you, boy? Please! Get up! Yeah? Get up! Typewriters. Frank Medrano style. You motherfuckers don't know, it's what you call a typewriter. Now, this shit is fucking amazing to me. What this man can do with his body weight is just fucking amazing. It look easy, but it's only because he making it look easy. That shit ain't easy. This muscle up combo. That's some shit you won't see me doing. I will admit that. I will omit that shit. You won't see me doing that. Motherfuckers ever heard of yin and yang? Well, that's me and Frank. Obviously, he's nice and quiet, ripped to shreds, vegetarian, leaf-eating, sliced up, master of what he does. Body weight exercise, calisthenics, pull-ups, and everything I don't do. He's a fucking master of it. Quiet, humble, fucking dedicated. You think it's easy? Get your ass about your lazy boy and try that shit. We'll see how easy it is. I might, he make that shit look so easy, I might even try it. Maybe. Right. Moving on, goddamn, what shall we do next? Double body weight plus 20 pounds dips by the great Frank.